guys, welcome back to my channel. So this one, it's an iPhone 10. As you can see, there's a broken glass. We'll have it changed. iPhone 10 open line. And then we have another iPhone 10. With this one also needs to be repaired. The problem is that one, the LCD, the top part. This one, you gotta change the LCD, not just the screen part. This there. Hi guys, good afternoon. Day 1 of our Shenzhen adventure again. Welcome back. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll just get some lunch. Really late lunch. It's already 2 o'clock. The market opens at 3 p.m. So there you go. Starbucks for takeout. Shout out, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you, guys. Well, guys, whenever I'm in China, I really don't know how to speak their language. So I survived asking for menus and then pointing at what I like. And then the cashiers, servers, they are really very accommodating. So, astig mag-travel dito. What does it say? Please translate. So, I ordered the mango shake. And I'm waiting for it. So, there. Is making it. Let's wait. There we go. Almost done. Almost. Perfect. So, this will be my lunch. Not bad. So, let's look for a technician to change the screen that's cracked. Let's look for one. Most of the stores are still closed. So here I found one and it says I can speak English. So that's why. So here we go. He's going to unscrew the iPhone 10 to remove the LCD. After this, he's gonna put it in a heater, that machine, so it will be easier for him to remove the LCD part. All in all, for him to remove it, it takes maybe 5 minutes. By the way, this video is a little bit long because we're going to change an LCD And then this one is changing just the screen. So, there. And then it's done. So he's just gonna remove the LCD. So this iPhone 10, this is the one with the cracked glass. So ang gagawin lang dito is palitan yung top part. Just like the iPhone 10s Max we did last time. I'll put the link down below if you wanna watch that. So, yun yung process na gagawin dito. Not totally change the LCD kasi okay pa yung display niya. Ang problem lang is merong crack yung screen. So, screen lang yung papalitan dito. There we go. So, natanggal na yung screen. Wait for it. Tada! So, okay na. Kasi screen lang yung kailangan para ma-repair. Natanggalin yung camera. Selfie camera. It could take a while. Almost. And then, we're good. So, there. So, ito na yung pagpapalit ng screen. I'm not allowed to film. So now, this is the part 2. the iPhone 10 with the broken LCD. So, this one, kailangan talagang palitan yung buong LCD, not just the top part. So, this one, since buong LCD yung papalitan, siya yung technician na suki ko dito sa China. Siya yung laging nagpapalit, and lahat ng sirang iPhones na hindi kayang gawin sa Pinas, siya yung pinapagawa ko. So there, so you can see ito yung LCD problem talaga. So he needs to change it in full, hindi lang screen. This one, he can change an LCD for under 6 minutes. Sobrang bilis lang. Have fun watching, guys. And guys, as you can see, naka-portrait mode tayo. Kasi every time nandito ako, may umiikot na guards. And if gamit ko yung stabilizers, so obvious na obvious nila na nagbe-video, bawal. Eto, ipinakausap ko lang if I can film the whole process. Pero since suki ko na siya, mapayag naman siya. So, bear with me. So there, I think he's copying the description ng original LCD para i-program dun sa bagong LCD na ipapalit. So, yung display niya is maganda pa din. So, guys, yan yung lumang LCD. Bali, nakakonect siya sa Mac niya eh. And then, ito yung ipapalit na bagong LCD para maganda pa din yung display. Since kailangan palitan ng buo. Kasi nga, LCD problem talaga to. Bali, kumalat na yung black sa top niya. So, there. Almost done. So, yan yung luma. And then, ito yung bago. So, para walang problem. Kinililinis na yung iPhone 10 kung saan natin kakabit yung bago. Bagong LCD. So, pwede-prepare niya na yung unit. Tinatanggal niya yung mga lumang dikit para pagkabit nung bagong LCD, okay na. So, ililipat niya lang yung mga camera, selfie camera, and yung earpiece. I think it's connected sa LCD screen if I'm not mistaken. So, hiniheat niya para malipat. So, there. So, guys, if you like this video, please do leave a like, thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for those who are subscribed, thank you guys. Sobra, as in, thank you talaga. It's almost done. Mabilis na lang to. There. And then, kinabit na sa board. Wait for it. Almost, guys. Konti na lang. So, medyo madami-daming screws. Hindi pala, konti na lang. Pero mabilis na lang talaga to, promise. Guys, subscribe. Baka malimutan. Thank you, guys. LCD. And screw na ulit. There! That Apple thingy. So, okay na siya. Kasi syempre, pinalitan ng bago. So, screw na. And, intayin lang natin mag-boot yung iPhone 10. And we're all good. So, medyo matagal ah. Tadaan! There. Okay na. Bye guys! It's done. So, everything's okay. May passcode. Anyways, all good. It's done. We're finished. Bye guys! See you again next time!